Hello, all. Welcome to Tech Easy. Hello, good morning to everyone. See, today in this video tutorial, we'll see how you can get this aesthetic wallpapers on your home screen, or how you can put this aesthetic wallpapers on home screen of your mobile. That may be an Android mobile, that may be a iPhone, whatever it may be. See, most of the people likes really cool wallpapers because whenever they open their cell phone, this is the first appearance, which is the home screen. So the wallpaper is the first. So I have downloaded an app called Pinterest, which is very popular for images. So most of the people share images on the Pinterest app. If you don't have this Pinterest, most probably most of us already have this Pinterest app. If you don't have, you can get this on the Play Store. Once you download this, when you open this, there is a search bar. See here, on the search here, you can search something like aesthetic wallpapers. What I like in this app is all the images are already in the portrait mode. So whichever you like, for example, if you like this particular image, at the top you will find these three dots. You need to click on, and you need to click on download. Once you click on download, image gets downloaded. Now we need to reach to our phone settings. Then here you will find something like lock screen and wallpaper, or wallpaper, whatever it may be. You need to click on this wallpaper, and then click on this wallpaper, so that for few mobiles it will be something like static wallpaper. See here, static wallpaper and local images. This is on my Vimo mobile, so the options are like this. If you have a different mobile, the options may be slightly maybe alter on this. In this all photos, I can click on this pins, so that this has been downloaded from the Pinterest. I need to click on the recently downloaded, or whichever photo I want. Now see here, the color or the appealing look of this wallpaper is really cool. Means whenever I open my wallpaper on the home screen, it really looking aesthetic and cool. Yeah, so this is how you can find, and you can download, and you can set the wallpaper. If you do want this cool wallpaper, this cool calendar on your home screen, please do comment something like yeah, need of this wallpaper. So yeah, if you need this cool calendar widget on your home screen, please do ask in the comments, so that I'll drop the link in the description for that how I put this calendar, aesthetic calendar on the home screen. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.